नमस्ते और आप सभी का मेरे चैनल पर स्वागत है. For those who don't know me, hi, my name is Sanskriti and I love talking. Saying no comes naturally to some, while some struggle with it. We are taught that saying no is impolite or inconsiderate, and we actually, many times don't follow our heart, and just to fit in society, we say yes to things we don't even want to do. Why is saying no very important to me is because it helps you set boundaries. And boundaries is something you need with everyone, be it your friends, be it your family or your colleagues, anyone for that matter, you need boundaries. And saying no helps you build boundaries to some extent and helps you to have a clear view of all the things, and if you want to do it, and if you don't, you can just say no. So that is something everyone should know according to me. And it is very difficult to say no. I know it is very difficult, but I have discovered a very, simple and sweet way of telling no. This is called the sandwich method. So in this method, what you do is you sandwich the negative part between the two positives. So first, when you want to say no to someone, you will start with the positive, and then you'll tell no, the negative, and then you'll end it on a positive note. So by using this way, even you will not feel more guilty, and the person to whom you're saying no, they may not be that disappointed. Let us use an example to understand the sandwich method in a better way. So for example, my friend has invited me for a party on Friday, but I have some other work, so I have to say no. So by using this sandwich method, my answer would be, see, I have great time partying with you, but on Friday I have a commitment. Maybe we can catch up on Saturday or Sunday. So in this example, first I started on a positive note, that is, I conveyed them that I enjoy partying with them, but then again I have commitments on Friday, so I say no, the negative part, and then I end the conversation with saying them that maybe we can catch up on the next Sunday or Saturday, whatever is convenient. By using this way, even you will not feel more guilty, and the person to whom you're saying no, they may not be that disappointed. इतनी छोटी सी बात है, but why am I making a video on it? I feel we don't really see how much it messes with our brain, that constantly being there for everyone isn't okay, because you need time for yourself. You need to set those boundaries with others, that okay, this is my time and these are my priorities. I can't come beyond them for you. And sometimes it's okay, it's not impolite or it's rude, it's for yourself. And you're not like, see, saying no, it doesn't mean you have to say no in all the situations, but when it is needed, you need to choose yourself. One of the most important reasons why you should learn saying no is because sometimes, when we struggle with saying no, we put ourselves in situations that are very difficult, and also we will not have any idea to come out of those situations. Like for example, अभी मुझे कोई बोले कि कुछ ये कर दो, या help me with something, and I have no clue or idea in that subject matter, but still, because I struggle with saying no, I will say yes, ठीक है, I will commit to something I have no idea about. So that will not even help the person you're trying to help, and it will mess with your brain. So if you would have known how to say no, you would not be in the situation. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Happy watching everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.